Hello, and welcome to Lecture 1 on this beginner's course on architectural visualization and interior design. So at the end of this course, this is what you're going to have. Or you're going to have something similar to this. It might be that you decide to sort of take it your own way and do things a little bit different, and I hope you do. I encourage you to do so. But at the end of the course, you should have something looking like this, if not better. And it's my job to guide you through this process and get you all the way to the end. If for any reason you're struggling with any elements of the course, then please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll do everything I can to help you through and figure out what the problem might be. It's in my interests to make sure that you enjoy this course and you get everything that you hope from it. So please don't hesitate to contact me. And thank you, by the way. Thank you for purchasing this course, and I really hope that you enjoy it. I think you will. And I'm sure that you'll get a lot from it. Okay, so the reason for Lecture 1 basically is just an introduction and just to show you what's included with the course and sort of give you an idea of what you're going to do with it. So this is what the end result will look like, as you know. So what I need to do now is show you what you have to do with this. So the first thing I want to do is show you the reference images. So included in the course on the lecture where we start to import them are the reference images. I'll go ahead and bring those in. So we have 3 reference images that we will import into our scene and scale up to the correct size. We have some dimensions on these as well to help us scale to the correct size and use as a quick check. So this is the first floor plan view, as you can see. So we have bedroom 1, as we'll call it, and bedroom 2, and a stairway and a bathroom, and the outline of the pool and the outline of the property boundary wall. And we also have the front elevation showing us the overall heights of the property, and again the boundary walls, etc. And we have one more, which is the plan view of the ground floor, showing us the actual property walls and a few pieces of furniture, the outline of the kitchen and the property boundary wall and the pool outline again. So these reference images are included in the course, and they're attached to the lecture where we start to import these into our Blender scene. The other thing, 2 things which are included in this course, let me just bring this file in for a moment, are our texture sets. Let me just make the view slightly better. Is our texture sets and our assets pack. So if I go ahead and click on the texture set, so this is actually attached to this lecture right now, so you can go ahead and use this whenever you want. And these are textures I've created, and they're yours now as well. So you can use them in this course and anything else going forward that you want to use them in. So let's just click on one, and I'll click on stone and tiles. And within this one we have floor tiles and marble, polished concrete, pool edge tiles, and rough concrete. So if I go ahead and click on one, maybe I'll click on this floor tiles one, and within this we have what's known as a texture set. So a complete texture, as you see it in Blender applied to a component or an object, is made up of a texture set, and a texture set is made up of texture maps. So within this texture set we have 4 texture maps. We have the base color, as you can see here. We have the displacement, the normals, and the roughness. All of those make up the texture set. And you'll find that in common with all the other textures that I've included in this course. Some might actually have 5 texture maps. Maybe there might be a metallic or an alpha, but they will all have a set of texture maps. And the other thing that is included in the course is the assets pack, which again is completely yours now. You can use it wherever you want in any projects that you're on. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So here's a video of the assets pack which is attached to this course, and we have a sofa and a headboard, and we have a hot tub and a daybed and a lamp set and a floor lamp, and all that again is absolutely included in this course, and you can use it wherever you want. looking at the actual sofa, which is kind of gone again now. We'll come back round to it in just a sec. But the sofa element is included in the actual assets pack, but I also cover in the course how to make this, because I think it is an important element of the course to learn how to do soft furnishings. So we'll learn how to create these pillows, and we'll learn how to create sort of piping details on upholstery and timber, and how to create wrinkles and soft edges on items. So even though it's included, if you wish to sort of fly past it, I also show you how to make this. So yeah, that's pretty much... Oh, actually, there's one more thing I want to show you. I'm going to bring this in, and this is called my mood board. I can't share these images with you because of copyright rules and regulations, so I can advise you to create your own mood board for this course. Even though the inspiration is here in our Blender scene, it's a good exercise to go ahead and create your own inspirations. So you can see here that I've dragged and dropped images into this, and some of these images you can actually see that I've used inspiration in this one. So that the software I used to create my mood board is called PureRef, and you can go ahead and download that. It's absolutely free. And once you download it, you can go ahead and start dragging images in and just laying out a nice mood board as some inspiration as you model your house. So I use Pinterest quite a lot because I find that full of nice images and nice ideas, and you can just literally just drag and drop with Pinterest directly into PureRef. So this is something I wanted to show you. It's completely optional. You don't have to do this, but some of these images you can see that I do use or are inspiration for the house that we're going to build. This one here is kind of the keystone image that I used. I did reduce the height. I find this a little bit top heavy, so I reduced that within hours. But yeah, you can see the inspiration. I'll go ahead and drag this out of the way again, and yeah, you can see the inspiration from that photo. Okay, so in the next lecture, let's start learning about Blender. Alright, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.